So let's see now how to work with the while loop now. While loop is another kind of loopings present into the R. Whenever we do work with a while loop, so here we have to provide the particular condition. Until this condition is true, the continuous iteration is there of the block of statements. And as soon as this particular condition is false, the loop will exit. So here, suppose I'm just writing it here. Any variable, I'm just writing here I as the variable here. I'm just writing I as 1, suppose. So what will be here? So if I want to check the condition here, I is less than 5. It means just run this while loop till I is less than 5. It means 5 times this loop will be rotated because this I is less than 5 because currently the value of I is 1. So here initially the condition is true because I is 1. So initially 1 is less than 5 because the value of I is 1. So 1 is less than 5. So it is true. So this condition statement will be executed. Then again the next iteration will be there. It will be checking out 2 is less than 5. Because here what we'll do during the statement here, we will increase the value of I also every time. So what will happen? The previous value of I will be 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So I will be updated. So when the second iteration is there, so the new value of I will be 2. So 2 is less than 5. It is also true. So again, the statement will be executed here. So what will happen here? Next time again when I will come, because the next time I is 2 here, so the value of this I will be updated as a 2. So 2 plus 1 will be there and the updated I will be 3. Then again it will be checking it out with the statement here that 3 is less than 5. Because I is less than 5, we are going to check it here. So it is true that 3 is less than 5, then again this statement is going to be executed. So here the new I will be 3 plus 1, 4. So here it will be 4. So now again the iteration will be there because 4 is less than 5. Yes, it is true. So again the loop will run here till this condition is fulfilled here. Now when the I will become 5, here 4 plus 1, 5. So every time I will be incremented to check out this particular condition here. When I is 5 here, when I is 5 here, so it will again check the condition here. 5 is less than 5 because the condition is I is less than 5. 5 is less than 5. It is not true because 5 is not less than 5. So what it will do in this particular condition, as soon as it will mate, it will just come exit. So loop will be automatically terminated. So it means into the while loop till this condition is true, continuously loop will be there, and as soon as this condition will become false, so the loop will be terminated. So here this is here inside the while loop I have to write the condition and the statement. Till this condition is true, the loop will be continuously iterated. As soon as out it is false, it will come it out. So let's work on to it now. How we can work it. Here in our studio here we can see. Here I'm taking certain examples here. Just a moment here. The very simple example here I'm just taking. While loops you can see. Suppose here I'm just taking count as a 0. So count means this is that variable which is going to be checked. So it could be any variable, does not matter that it could be I, it could be any variable which we can check it out in while loop here. So we had mentioned count is equal to 0. And what we are saying, count is less than 5. So of course 0 is less than 5. So till it is true, so it will print that count. So what it will be printing? It will be printing the value of count. Count value 0. Then it is increasing that count by 1. So 0 is the value of count plus 1. So what is the new value of count is 0 plus 1 is 1. So again this will move ahead into the while condition and check count is less than 5. So what is the newer value of count? Count is 1. Count 1 is less than 5. Yes, it is true. Again the iteration will be there and it will print that count and it will increase that count by 1. So 1 is the earlier count and plus 1 again. So what is the newer one count? 2. Again it will check it out the condition 2. 2 is less than 5. Yes, it is true. Again the iteration will be going on. It will print out the 2 value, then again 2 plus 1, the new value will be 3. So it means continuous iteration will be there till it is 5. As soon as it will reach up to 5, so 5 is less than 5. No, it is false. So as soon as it is false, it will just print up to here, and as soon as it is false, it will come out. It will break the loop. So let's run it here. Suppose here I'm just running. So here, see here, it is just making 0, 1, 2, 4. And as soon as it is reaching up to this condition is false, means till this condition is true, the loop is continuously iterating. As soon as count is 5, so 5 is less than 5, that one is a false. So that's why there is no more while loop here. Now the same one I can just here I had mentioned count is less than 5. I can change it here. Suppose count is less than 10. 10 times it will be iterated. As soon as count value is not less than 10. Okay. So if 10 is coming here, 10 is less than 10, it will not execute anymore. It will come out from the loop. It will break the loop. I'm running it here. So here it is just mentioning here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 because last value is 10. When 10 is less than 10, it is false, it will break the loop. I can start the count from 1 as well, that is also okay, and I can give the increment here into the for loop with count plus 2. So it means 2 jump will be there. So it means 1, 3, 5, 7 in 2 jumps is also possible. One can give any value here, any condition here also, and any number of increment here. That is up to only one's desire. So one can see here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 2 increments are coming just by plus 2. So in this way we can give it here as a while loop here. Now we can see here there is one more repeat loop. Repeat is there. Just a